Calcite is the main mineral of limestone and marble and has many uses in production and life. We know that limestone can form karst caves, and the stalactites, stalagmites, and white jade in the caves are actually composed of calcite. The production line equipment of calcite ball press is a complete set of equipment for making balls from raw materials. It can reduce the production cost and improve the market competitiveness of the enterprise in the occupation. The four major advantages of the ball pressing machine production line: a high degree of initiative, reduce the intensity of work. The secondary production capacity is large, which can meet the production needs of large mineral powder limited enterprises. The three calcite pressing ball production line can realize continuous operation and meet the needs of uninterrupted operation of enterprises. 此方接式 pressure ball production line is reliable and stable, and the maintenance of the equipment is also simple and convenient, so that customers can save worry and effort.